Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fiona-NunuG. Today, I bring across to you an amazing topic that I am going to present to you. It's all about structure and functions of the human digestive system as well as nutrition. So there will be learning about how organs assist in digesting food, and functioning, as well as mechanical and chemical digestion. We shall also look at the role of nutrition in caring for health and avoiding diseases. Furthermore, we will examine how misleading information, for example, where carrots make one's vision better at night, similarly to a torch, affects the consumer's food choices. It is important to only use recommendations based on the most current nutritional science, as recommendations change over time. The last of all, further consequences of the mentioned dietary imbalances will be considered, and today's guidelines for a healthy diet free from identified diseases like heart disease and diabetes will be outlined. So I am going to start off currently with digestive system overview. So the key points being: translates indigestion foods into a form of energy and nutrition. Seems to take place in parallel with several organs in a pipeline, ensures waste removal. So the next one that we are going to look at is oral care, oral cavity, and the esophagus. The key points there that we need to look at is the mechanical digestion, chewing being the example, chemical digestion, salivary enzymes, the muscles of the alimentary canal compress it and push the food downwards during a process known as peristalsis. Going on forward, ladies and gentlemen, stomach and structure function. So the key points to look at there is in the stomach, churns food into chyme, generate hydrochloric acid, or in a chemical formula known as the HCl. Protein digestion enzymes, for example, pepsin. So the small intestine, on the other hand, digests in a different way. So digestion and absorption. The key points being, it's also known actually as the small bowel. It is made up of duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Pronunciation is different, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to get to. Enzymes and bile are important in digesting food. Chlorophyll is a green pigment in the plant leaves that's used to capture sunlight, used for carrying photosynthesis. Mucus is a slim to release gastric juices. Probiotic is the useful bacteria inside the stomach. Amoebias are the single-celled organisms. Details. Digestive enzymes, they are chemical substances that increase the rate of chemical reaction by lowering the activation energy of the reaction bile. So these dietary nutrients are absorbed through these structures known as the villi. All right. So going forward, in our stomachs, we also have what we call the large intestine. So I was talking about the small intestine. Now I'm moving on to the large intestine and water reabsorption. So the key points here being, the large intestine and the large intestine does so from any undigested material or portion of food which has not been assimilated by the tissues. It helps to populate the human gut with positive microbes, forms and eliminates feces. At the same time, um, we also have the histology of stomach, duodenum, and ileum. All right. So the stomach thus rings within gastric pits, secrete enzymes and acid. Duodenum in final stage, Brunner's glands, secrete alkaline secrete. Ileum, the two classes of circular membrane bound protrusion known as villi and microvilli, and hence the process of absorption. So it must be noted that again, the functions of the liver and pancreas in digestion. So the liver plays the role in bile production for fat digestion. Pancreas secretes digestive enzymes. It's also used to stabilize insulin, which is the regulator of blood sugar levels in our bodies. So the 7 requirements of a balanced diet, the key points that I'm going to mention are the carbohydrates, which are for energy source, proteins, that's are for growth and repair, fats, energy storage, and insulation. Vitamins and minerals, absolutely crucial for the life's processes that happen inside a human body. Fiber, that aids digestion. Water helps to control water loss and other body processes. So these are the 7 requirements of a balanced diet. So dietary imbalances and deficiency diseases, we'll look at the key points being vitamin D deficiency. It's rickets. You'll find that even children do have rickets, all due to lack of vitamin D. Iron deficiency, it's anemia, excess sugar, obesity, and diabetes. Protein deficiency, that's kwashiorkor. So the current diet recommendations that are to be followed, or that are needed in one's daily diet will be reduced sugar and salt intake, more intake of fruits and vegetables, focus on whole grains, choose healthy fats. The role of carbohydrates in our bodies, what could they be? Primary energy source in breads, rice, fruits, the amounts are occurring in trace levels. It should be noted in conjunction with exercises. The role of proteins in our bodies is for immense importance in the healing process of tissues in the body. Exist in meat, fishes, pascuals, and dairy products. It's important for the immune function. All right. The role of fats. So the role of fats provide long-term energy, facilitates cell membrane activities, found in nuts, oils, and in fish. All right. So going forward, I'm also going to mention the importance of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals regulate body functions. They prevent deficiency diseases. The intake can be sourced from fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Water and fiber. Water essential for hydration. Fiber promotes digestive health, occurring in most fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The conclusion, therefore, the body depends on the digestive system, and it breaks down the food, as it breaks down the food, as well as absorbs minerals, materials that are useful to it. It includes distinguishable, 'distinguishable' parts, 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 'distin all of which participate in the digestive process and nutrition assimilation. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber are other important food requirements in the human diet to prevent disease conditions resulting from poor diet. It tends to nourish metabolism, supply energy, fortify the immune system, and much more. Staying to the recommended amount and type of diet outlined by research drenches people with requisite dietary information to avoid detrimental food stuff that causes imbalances leading to obesity or diabetes. It is also important to know that there is a need to take consciousness of dietary diversification because of different groups of foods have their own characteristic nutrition profiles. As the nutrition knowledge increases, it becomes important to be updated with accurate information on a nutritious diet for a healthy family. Thus, having a healthy diet reduces the incidence of diseases, and if an individual takes the necessary vitamins and nutrients, he greatly improves his quality of life. So that's how we conclude our topic about nutrition. And our references, I'm going to mention all of them. The first one being British Dietetic Association in 2023, Nutrition and Health, available on their website. That is https://www.bda.uk.com, assessed on the 28th of October 2024. British Nutrition Foundation 2023 Healthy Eating Guidelines, available at https://www.nutrition.org.uk, assessed on the 28th of October 2024. NHS 2023 Healthy Diet, available at https://www.nhs.uk. Live Well, Eat Well, assessed 28 October 2024. Public Health England 2022, the Eat Well Guide, available at https://www.gov.uk. Government Publications, the Eat Well Guide, assessed 28 October 2024. Smith J. and Jones A. 2022, Human Psychology, Digestion and Nutrition, 2nd ed., Oxford University Press. Smith R. and Brown T. 2021, Nutrition and Health, A Practical Guide, Cambridge University Press. WHO, that's WHO 2021, Nutrition, available at www.ho.int Health Topics Nutrition, assessed on the 28th of October 2024. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to my presentation. I hope you learned a lot, and if you need more information, you can contact me and I'll be able to assist. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day further.